In today's video, we're going to take a look at the quality of a presentation that is developed in Canva and exported to a PowerPoint file. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. And what I'm going to use is Canva's built-in AI feature to create a presentation using AI. And let's go ahead and take one like the importance of digital accessibility. And they have this magic design tool. Again, I have the paid for version of Canva, but let's go ahead and just randomly select one of these. And we are going to apply to all pages. So this is just a random presentation. We have digital accessibility matters, ensuring inclusive experiences. There's some random images in here, and there is some text. It's kind of all just fluffer text as far as I can tell, but that's okay because what I want to do is actually export this file out to PowerPoint to review the accessibility of it. So let's select the share button, and we are going to select download. And from here, we can choose PPTX, and it says all pages, and let's select download. We can go ahead and open up this PowerPoint now, and let's go ahead and review the accessibility checker. I'm going to select file, info, check for issues, check accessibility, and interesting. So all of the objects are coming through as individual objects on here, and they are all missing alternate text. Additionally, none of the slides have slide titles, so the content is not being exported properly. Here in the view outline section on the left-hand side, none of the content is really coming through. So JAWS is going to have a very difficult time. NVDA is going to have a very difficult time in accessing this content. Also, the reading order is out of place on all of these slides. I assume that's because of the way that it's coming through. Yeah, so all of the reading order panel, we have group 4, freeform, and auto shape. These are, this is not a very good way to present the content from an accessibility perspective. This is going to make it very challenging to make PowerPoints created out of Canva accessible. Now, if we were to take the same document, we could probably export it out as a PDF, and we might have some better accessibility. Let's go ahead and try it just to see. I'm curious what's going to come through. I'm going to select share, download, and this time I'm going to choose PDF standard, and I believe we want to flatten it as well. And let's select download, and then let's go ahead and open up that PDF file. And just for fun, let's run the accessibility checker to begin. Oh wow, yeah, that's terrible. So it's coming through as an image only PDF. That could be because I did a flattened. There's no tags available. Let's go ahead and let's export it out one more time and just see if we can get anything coming out of here. I'm going to try a PDF standard without flatten. And the goal, I want to get a tagged PDF. Now, this is possible to go from a document to a PDF in Canva, but it seems like the presentation to PDF is very poor. All right, I stand corrected. Ooh, it's blending all of the text together. Okay, so I did the non-flat PDF. Let's go ahead and run the accessibility checker on this one now. And it's a little cleaner. We still have some issues with untagged content. These are the images from within the file. And we have some other elements missing, alt text. But let's check out the tags panel. It actually seems okay. The figures are not coming through, which is kind of interesting. They have the placeholder tags, but not the contents. And then we have titles on the H1s, but it appears that some of the text is actually blended together. So the screen reader is going to have a difficult time reading that content. This will often happen with text that goes onto multiple lines. Like this first H1 here, digital accessibility matters is all one word. However, the title is correct. Anyways, this is all to say presentations from within Canva are not being exported properly from an accessibility perspective. So the next phase that I would typically do is take that PowerPoint file or take that PDF file, whatever my final deliverable is, and I would run it through my accessibility workflow, which would be adding tags to it, ensuring the metadata is set up, and then finally testing with a screen reader. If you want to check out how to do some of those things, you can review some of the other videos on my channel, or if you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your personal accessibility expert. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.